Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we're checking out how you can make your MetaQuest 3 or 3S clearer for your use, not so blurry, crisper, what you want for a VR experience. So first let's start with our MetaQuest 3. The first thing I'm going to show you here is this dial on the bottom. Now this dial is changing the pupillary distance. So you can see here, if I spin that dial, you can see the lenses getting further apart and closer together. When you have the headset on and turned on and you rotate that dial, it's going to tell you the number of that pupillary distance. So if you know yours, you can just set it to that. If you don't, there are apps you can download or ways that you can figure it out if you would like to. Or just with the headset on, start at the lowest and start scrolling through slowly. When it is the most crisp, that's when you need to stop, right? So it's just as simple as that for that as well. Now with the MetaQuest 3S, it doesn't have the dial on the bottom, unfortunately, but what you can do, let's get that out of the way, is you can actually just move the lenses with your fingers. Now there's not as many options here, but you can go through and try each of them to see which one is the best for your eyes. Once you've got that set, if it's still not perfectly clear, what you can do, and I know I'm using a different head strap here, but this stays true for even just the stock head strap, because these points right here where the arms connect to your MetaQuest 3 or your MetaQuest 3S, they can rotate a little bit. So what you need to do is you need to tilt your headset either up more or down more until it looks better for you and for your face. Because one thing I've noticed about VR, everybody's experience is different because everybody's head shape is different, everybody's face shape is different. So you need to find out what is best for you in that case. One of the other tips that you can do is adjust the distance of the headset to your face as well. With the MetaQuest 3, the stock facial interface here, it does have these adjustment points here. Mine doesn't work so well anymore. It's kind of broken now, but that can adjust in and out. With the MetaQuest 3S, there is just the glasses spacer that you can add, but sometimes you might need to do that. For me with prescription lenses, if I'm too close, the prescription lens inserts kind of throw things off. I need to be a certain distance away from the Quest 3 lenses or the Quest 3S lenses in order to do that. And the last tip is to keep your lenses clean. Make sure you are cleaning them properly. The proper way to clean them is just with a dry microfiber cloth. A clean microfiber cloth, you're not using any chemicals, don't use any lens cleaners, you're not using paper towel, anything like that. Just a clean microfiber cloth is all that you need to use to clean your lenses. So that's how you can have a better, unblurred, clearer, crisper experience with your MetaQuest 3 and 3S. Check out my other tip videos. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.